In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up an email list using Kit. We're going to walk through the simplest, most direct way to get a working email list up and running using a landing page that collects subscribers and automatically sends them an incentive email. By the end, you'll have a live page you can share with your audience, plus a basic understanding of what each setting actually does. First, once you're logged into Kit, look for the main navigation and go to the Grow section. Under Grow, click on Landing Pages and Forms. This is where Kit keeps all the tools related to collecting email addresses, whether that's through forms embedded on your site or dedicated landing pages. Next, we're going to create a brand new landing page. Look for the button that says Create New and choose Landing Page. Kit will show you a list of templates to get started quickly. From here, select the template called Abby. This template is a solid starting point because it's already laid out to highlight your main offer and capture email addresses without a lot of extra design work. Once the page is created, we need to configure what happens after someone subscribes. Go to the top right of the editor and click on Settings. Inside the Settings panel, find the section labeled Incentive. This is where you tell Kit what to send new subscribers as a thank you for joining your list, like a free download or a welcome message. Make sure the option Send Incentive Email is checked. Turning this on ensures that everyone who signs up from your landing page immediately receives a confirmation or reward email, which helps build trust and engagement right away. Now, click on Edit Email Content. This opens the editor for the incentive email itself. Here you can customize the subject line and the body of the email to match your brand and clearly explain what the subscriber is getting. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the email editor and then click Save again on the main menu to make sure all your changes to the page and the email are stored. The final step is to make your landing page publicly available. In the top right corner, click Publish. Once the page is published, Kit will give you a URL. Copy this link and share it wherever your audience is, on social media, your website, or in your content. Anyone who visits that URL can now join your email list, and they'll automatically receive the incentive email you just set up.